Right, hi there. My name's Gary and I'm from the GPS Ghost Finder Paranormal Society, and I'm just going to go and show you a device that what we've been looking into, and I've put a K2 in the middle just to compare the size so you can kind of see it's not too big, it would fit in your kit, and I'm going to explain why I've put the torch next to the right of the K2 so you can see for yourself. So here we go. Now I'm going to just put the K2 meter on. So I've just lit up the K2 meter, and basically you all know what the K2 meter is for. It's the electromagnetic field meter, and obviously any EMF that comes within that range, that light will light up, and we have been using a lot of it at the time, as many other paranormal investigators have, to try doing communications with possible spirits, and just like yes and no, can you light up this, can you light up that, and we've been trying this method, like I say, along with many other teams, but also many other teams have also been using the flashlight method. Now I noticed that with the flashlight method, many teams and who have used it say it's really good, but a lot of skeptics turn around and say yeah, but it could have just gone off, it could have just been slightly touched, which I'll just demonstrate here. So here you go, you've got the flashlight. I'm just going to touch the back, it's come on, let go. It's a little bit dodgy, it makes no noise, so if it gets slightly tapped it will. You know, I can understand why the skeptic says that. So, but this is the device that us at GPS have been messing about with, and we're going to put it on the field a few times and see how we get on. Now basically it's a spirit buzzer, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to flick a little switch on the back of this buzzer here, this box, and it's going to light up. Now, you should see our little light has just come on. Now, basically, it's going to be like the same kind of idea as the flashlight. If anything touches that, it will trigger off. But as the flashlight is a bit, you know, it's a bit twitchy. You've literally just got to twist it, so any slight knock will trigger it off, and it's a bit dodgy. People have said they're not too keen on it. So, but with this device it's a little bit different, and it's got a few advantages as well. Now with the spirit buzzer, an entity would literally have to come up, or a spirit, whatever people choose to call it, and it would literally just press this button here, and the advantage you are going to have is this: you are going to press this button, and not only are you going to know if a spirit's actually pressed it or something's touched it, you are going to see a light up like you would have that with a flashlight, and it will also make a noise. So you would say, as an example, is there anybody there? Can you press the button with a red light? Can you do that again if there's somebody there? Now the advantages you have with this method is you can walk around the location you're in if you're checking out that room, and you don't just have to concentrate on that light, you can be doing other stuff and you'll hear that noise, and that other noise can, you know, it's just a good way of like turning around to let you know if you've got like a positive feedback on a toy that is actually an entity's or spirit is actually touching that device. Now we're going to give it a try and see how we get on with it, and we'll get back and post it, and if you're interested, you know, and you wouldn't mind trying it yourself, let us know. Right, thank you for watching, and this is Gary from the GPS Ghost Finder Paranormal Society. Take care, guys.